Removing and replacing the keypad on an MC9400 mobile computer. Power off the device. Remove the battery. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the device upside down on a grounded anti-static mat. Use a long, thin Torx T8 screwdriver to remove the two screws. Turn the device over so the keypad is visible. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to remove the two keypad assembly screws. Lift the keypad from the device. Align the keypad along the device's bottom ridge, then lay it flat. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to secure the keypad to the device with the two screws. Again, place the device upside down. Use a long, thin Torx T8 screwdriver to replace the two screws inside the battery slot. Insert the battery. Turn on the device.